Hi friend, my name is Sarah Chancey. I'm the founder and creative director behind Chancey Charm. And today I'm so excited to share with you how I successfully launched a wedding planning and design firm with $300 and absolutely zero connections. So let's rewind a little bit back to 2009. My husband and I got married in Athens, Georgia at the cutest little chapel, packed up all of our stuff and trucked it across America and landed in Denver, Colorado, where my husband was attending seminary. During our time there, I got a job in marketing and events with Chick-fil-A, and I learned so much in that job that's really helped Chancey Charm be successful. But I found one, for me, fatal flaw with my job, and that was flexibility, or a lack of flexibility. I always knew deep inside my heart that I wanted a family and I wanted to be able to work from home. And sadly, that job was not going to fit that. So I kind of felt like I was up against the clock. I started really stressing out about it. And as cliche as this may sound, one day on our day off in Littleton, Colorado, in a park, sitting under the sun, very picturesque, we started dreaming of Chancey Charm and what that could look like for me. I really was passionate about serving clients in what can be an amazing but also stressful season with lots of family expectations and your own internal pressure when you're planning your wedding. So we launched Chancey Charm. I started spending lots of time on it, staying up till like 4 a.m. I had dozens of logos. I had $300 to spend. I had zero industry connection. And when I launched officially in 2011, I also had zero profit. Fast forward a little bit and we moved back to Atlanta. And my problems seemed to get worse. Atlanta is an extremely competitive wedding planning industry, or wedding industry in general, and I felt completely lost in this sea of people who said they were wedding planners. One afternoon, I got coffee with someone who's a dear friend now, Odalis Mendez. She's a fine art film photographer. She's amazing. You should check her out. And honestly, I left our coffee feeling inspired by how much she knew who she was, what her target client was, what her artistic capabilities were. She was just incredibly inspiring, but I also felt kind of like in shock because I did not know what my calling card was, and she was asking me that. So I really started doing some digging and some soul searching, and I realized that my interior design degree and my ability to do renderings and sketches for clients and my love for fabrics and furnishings, that needed to be my calling card. And that is what Chancey Charm's brand is built off of, are those skills and that niche. So it's been an amazing journey to see how finding that niche, finding my calling card has launched us into success. Today, we have 13 different locations and literally the most amazing talented planners serving clients in all of those locations. We get to serve just the sweetest clients and stunning, gorgeous designs. I'm absolutely pinching myself every day that this is my job, that this is what I get to do, is lead this team and lead this business. And I'm so excited about sharing the wisdom that I feel like God gave me in this journey with other women. You can ask my team. I'm really passionate about that. Not just helping them, but helping you. So I actually have a free workshop, completely free. I'd love for you to join. It's literally 25 minutes of your day. I'm going to give you 5 foundational steps you can take to start attracting your dream client and create a wedding planning business that pays. So I hope you'll join me.